Welcome back to another video in our coursework series, and this is question 3. And as you know already, I'm not allowed to help you with question 3. Oh my goodness, what's going on? Oh, it's Coursework Chris. He's excited to help you today because Miss Bowleg can't help you today. So this is all on you, Chris. I hope you got this one. Let's go. Question 3. Let's look at the question intensively. Let's break it down a little. Let's read it. When a country is hit by a natural disaster, such as a hurricane, many organizations or groups come to assist residents of the Bahamas. Compare the roles of the National Emergency Management Agency, NEMA Bahamas, and the Bahamas Red Cross Society. This is 10 marks. So let's color code this to kind of make some sense of this question. So in purple, we have what this question is about, basically, the gist of this question. So this is about natural disasters. Of course, we know it's a hurricane. And this time we're talking about organizations or groups that assist with hurricanes. And they're assisting the persons in the Bahamas. So that's what this question is about. We're not on the Saffir-Simpson scale anymore. We're not on, anything that we did in question 1 or 2. So this is about organizations, purple. So green is the action. This is what we're gonna do for question 3. We're gonna compare. What are we gonna compare? We're going to compare the roles. In blue, we have the National Emergency Management Agency, NEMA Bahamas, and in red, we have the Bahamas Red Cross. Those are the 2 organizations that we're going to compare in question 3. So what does it mean to compare the role of these 2 organizations? So remember our 2 colors from earlier? In red, we have the Bahamas Red Cross Society. In blue, we have the National Emergency Management Agency, NEMA. So when we compare, it's similar to 2 persons in a boxing ring. Behave up there, guys. So you want to see what each side has to offer. So what does the blue have to offer? What does the red have to offer? What are the similarities between the blue and the red? What are the differences between the blue and the red? So that's how we compare. And that's what you're going to do to compare the roles of these 2 organizations. Here are some helpful comparisons to help you. 1. What are the functions, roles, aims, mission statements, goals of these organizations? Choose any 4 of these to compare, 4 or 5, and it'll be very helpful in your research. Does the government play a role in these organizations? So you can ask yourself, who funds these organizations? Is it a religious organization? Is it government funded? Is it a private company that funds these organizations? That's another comparison that you could use to assist you in your research. And lastly, does any outside country play a role in this organization? For example, where are these organizations based? Where are they located? That's another comparison to assist you in your research. Okay, Coursework Chris. He wants me to give you some tips. Here is Coursework Chris tips. Most organizations' role is to provide 1. Assistance or a service, 2. Preventions, 3. Solutions, 4. Future planning, 5. Care and maintenance. So look into those as well. Okay, so remember, as always, let the sources help you. Source D. Source D is very helpful. What information can you gather from this picture? The logos, obviously they're different, but why? What does the colors represent? What does the images portray? When you look at these closely, you can find comparisons to help you in your research. Another comparison that's made is right here about NEMA. What is the function of NEMA? It tells us right here in the source. Read it carefully. This is another piece of information to help you. The Red Cross. Wow, we have another function. Here are some functions of the Red Cross. Read it carefully, and this can help you. Source D is super duper helpful. Need more help? Do you really need more help? No. I'm not allowed to help you. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here's one more video, and this just teaches you how to do some research online. Okay, so let's get the research started. Go on to Google and we type in NEMA Bahamas. Notice we're looking for a website that's a gov.edu, something reputable. Notice what comes up. This is a nice site. It has the Bahamas logo. We can scroll through and we can see that this is a legitimate site. So we can use this one. Now we're going to open a new tab, and now we're going to look for the Red Cross. Remember, always look for .gov, .org, .edu site. These are reputable ones. Awesome, this one comes up. Let's see how intricate this site is. Oh, this one has a lot of information. We can use that one. Remember, when you have the two tabs open, it's easier for you to compare. One side you can have NEMA, the other side the Red Cross, and you can toggle between the two sites and get your information to compare. Time for you to show off now, guys. You have everything you need to answer question 3. You should be confident and you should be ready to work on question 3. And of course, Coursework Chris is here to say goodbye. Chris, could you say something this time? No? Okay, he just wants to dance. So we're gonna dance and we're gonna go. See you in the next video.